Download started. Let's wait. We have downloaded it. Here is the MSI file. Double click on it to install. Minimize. Now you need to choose a setup type. I'll directly go for custom so that I have an idea what I'm doing, what I'm installing. Click on next. Now you need to select the products. Click on MySQL server, drop down, MySQL 8.0, and here it is. This is what we wanted. Click on the arrow to drag it here.
Now go to applications, click on workbench, do the same for workbench. These are the ones which we'll be installing. Go for shell, here it is. Click on here to drag it. Now we have our server, workbench and shell. Click on next. The installation started, let's wait. We have successfully installed it. Click next. Now product configuration, click on next. Now type a networking, keep it as it is. It is taking 3306 port number, no problem. Click next. Authentication method, you can use a strong password or the following legacy basic, but the following is recommended, so keep it as it is and click next. Herein set the root password, that is the admin password for your MySQL server. You can use any password, my password also, because it is on localhost. Click next. Windows service fine, click next. Server file permissions, yes, keep the default. Grant full access, click next. Apply configuration, click on execute. So one by one all the steps will get executed. That's it. Completed. Configuration successful. Click finish. Click next. Now keep it as it is. Start MySQL workbench and shell, no problem. Click finish. Now we have started the shell and workbench, but we need to set the path for that.